Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43. Chapter 1. How to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43 running as administrator. To start, right-click on the Valorant shortcut, click on Run as Administrator, click Yes to access. Chapter 2. How to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43 from services. To start, enter services in the search box. Open local services. Here, double-click on the VGC service. When accessing, confirm that the startup type is set to automatic. After this, click Start to enable the service. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43 from system configuration. To start, in the search box, enter msconfig. Click on System Configuration. After that, in the Services tab, locate the VGC service. Check your box, click on Apply and OK. As you can see, it will be necessary to restart the system to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43 renaming file. To start, in the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. Now open the Riot Games folder and then access the Riot client. After this, in the Data folder, select the Riot Games private settings file. Click on Change Name and at the end add the word Old. Press Enter and you must confirm these changes. Chapter 5. How to fix error Valorant connecting to the Platform VAL 43 reinstalling Vanguard. To get started, in the search box enter Control. Click Uninstall a program. Here, select Riot Vanguard. Click on Uninstall and click Yes to confirm. In the pop-up window, click on Yes to complete the Vanguard uninstallation process. To finish, open Valorant. Automatically, the installation of Vanguard will take place. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.